The goal kick will be taken by the goalkeeper. Nicely taken, but it has been very nicely cleared by number 11. Bishu has taken the ball, nicely dribbling. It's a foul throw. Karthik with the ball now. The ball has gone for the throw in favor of BM 11. The throw in is taken by jersey number 11, Rohan. Cleared by the defender. Oh, a bit of rough tackle there. Vijay is taking the free kick for Bex United. Oh, that was a flyer. Sixer. पूरे के पूरे 6 मिलेंगे लेकिन पॉइंट्स नहीं. Good ball control by Karthik. Nicely given to his. Oh, very nice try. That was a very nice try by Suraj. Bex United are coming very close to the scoring in this match, just as they had done in the previous match. Nice coordination by the team. Oh, once again, Suraj has taken a very nice kick, but it has gone over the goalpost. The ball has gone out for a goal kick. Take. The game, the play has been stopped because the ball has eluded the players. This game is well balanced. Both the teams are giving their best. Very nice control by Bishu there, but nicely cleared by the defenders. The ball has gone for a throw in now in favor of Bex United. Nice display of football there by Bex 11. Nice passes, short passes. Both the teams are doing very well. Oh, nicely cleared. Now the ball is with Reagan. Reagan has given the ball to the defense. Nice coordination. We can see wonderful football in display in the form of both these teams. Oh, kindly see the goal, the player there. Injuries do happen in the game of football, but this type of injury should be a reminder for the players so that they can take care of each other, respect the game, and respect the opponents. The game is about to resume. After a break, the play is about to resume. The ball is with Bishu, playing for BM11. Nicely dribbling past two players. Oh, that was. The ball has gone for a throw in favor of Bex United. Nicely controlled by Karthik, and the shoot was equally to the target but missing the target. This match has been played with a lot of intensity. Both the teams are giving their best. Well balanced. The ball is in the hand of the goalkeeper of Bex 11. Sorry, Bex United. Nicely controlled. Nice shoot taken, but it is gone. It's gone for a goal kick. Nicely cleared by Reagan. Now the ball has gone for a throw in. The throw in is taken by nice throw, equally nicely cleared by the goalkeeper. The ball has gone for a goal kick now. Throw in favor of BM. Free kick in favor of BM 11. The free kick will be taken by Karthik. Well defended by the wall. The ball has gone for a throw in favor of BM 11. The throw has been nicely taken by Karthik. Very nice pass to Reagan, but nicely cleared by jersey number 9. So far, it has been a very balanced match between both these teams. The throw was taken at a lightning speed, but it has gone for a goal kick. The goal kick has been taken. The ball is with Bishu. Oh, nice kick, but the goalkeeper saved it very well. Good save by the goalkeeper of Bex United. Throw in favor of Bex United now. Good play, good play. Nice passing. The ball is with Bishu. Nice dribbling skills. That was The ball has gone for okay. It has been given a foul in favor of BM11. Both the teams are trying their level best to score a goal. For now, it is 0-0. The free kick is taken by Bishu. Nicely taken, nicely cleared also by the defense of Bex United. As I said before, both the teams are playing a very good football, entertaining all those who are present here. Goal kick will be taken by the goalkeeper, and nicely taken. Throw in. Nice clearance there by the defense of BM11. Once again, the ball has gone for a throw in favor of Bex United. Karthik to take the throw. Oh. It looks like the first half is almost coming to an end. So far it is 0-0. Nicely cleared by the defense. Both the teams are playing a very good football and both are giving their level best. The ball has gone for a goal kick now. The first match, Bex United has already won their first match. BM11 badly needs a win in this match to stay afloat in this tournament. A little bit of rough tackles here and there, but the ref are in control of this match. It's a goal kick. Goal kick in favor of BM11. Foul. Free kick in favor of Bex United. This game, as I said before, has been a very balanced game. Both the teams are playing very well and it had been a very entertaining first half. Nicely taken, or very nice try, good header by Kartik, but it missed the top bar. Wow, that was a good bullet shot. That shoot has flown off. And the first half of this match between BM11 and Bex United was a draw, and the second half also has been played a draw. The match has ended in a goalless draw.
हेलो। चलो नेक्स्ट मैच यहाँ पे अभी स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है।
Okay, now we begin with the second half of this match between BM11 and Bex United. I request all those spectators and those who are touching the line kindly move away from the line, sideline. The match has resumed now. We expect everyone to watch this match and the players also to play a good in a very good spirit of football. Nice throw in. Requesting all those who are there kindly cooperate. थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ लाइन के. Thank you. The ball has gone for a goal kick now. The ball is with Karthik now. Nicely dribbled. Now, oh, nice pass, but safely landed in the hands of the goalkeeper. corner was taken, but it now the throw in favor of BM 11. There is a substitution for BM 11. The ball is with Karthik now. Nicely taken. Oh, that was a good try by Karthik, but the goalkeeper need to be appreciated for that lovely save. Corner. Nicely taken. Oh, good try by Suraj. Throw in favor of BM 11. The second half is on. The match is played between Bex United and BM 11. The score right now is 0-0. The ball is cleared by Regan. It has gone for a throw in now in favor of BM 11. The throw in will be taken by Bishu. More power. The ball has safely landed in the hands of the goalkeeper, and here there was a mistake, but nicely cleared by the defense there. The ball is with Bishu. Bishu has nicely given it to James, but James have missed the ball, and it has gone for the ball has gone for a goal kick. Quickly taken. The goal kick quickly taken. Nicely defended by the defense. It's a corner in favor of Bex United. Given to the defense directly, and now well intercepted. The ball has been played to James, but nicely Kartik is with the ball now. The ball has gone for a throw in once again. Long throw has been taken, and it's a corner kick in favor of Bex United. So far we have seen the second half has been very electrifying. Both the teams are playing a very good football in the spirit of this game. The score for now is 0-0. Corner. Nicely taken, but well defended there. Once again, corner in favor of Bex United. throw in will be taken by James. Bishu with the ball. Nicely taken, but well intercepted. Now the ball is with Karthik. Karthik has given the ball to the other player. Okay, nicely intercepted. Well given. Oh, it was a very nice scoring opportunity, but it's a goal kick. It's a goal kick. Nice coordination, nice football has been displayed by both the teams. In this matter, it was BM11. Nicely taken by the goalkeeper. It's a foul. It's a goal kick in favor of BM11. Nicely given. Good defending there by jersey number 7. Nicely taken. The ball is with Bishu now. It's a foul in favor of BM11. So far, the match has been played at a very quick pace. It's a throw in. Nicely cleared by Suraj, and this is a very good opportunity, and it has been taken. The opportunity has been taken by Karthik. It was a wonderful opportunity, and the opportunity has been grabbed by Karthik, giving a lead to Bex United 1-0. In the second half, Bex United leading BM11 by 1-0. Goal courtesy Karthik. Well try, Bishu. That was a high toe foul. The free kick will be taken by Bishu. BM11 requires, they need very badly a goal here to stay afloat in this tournament. Nicely defended there by Reagan. was quickly taken. The ref has ordered it to be taken again. Nicely passed. The ball has gone for a goal kick there. Oh, well defended there, well defended. Beautifully defended. And equally well cleared by the goalkeeper. Now the ball is with Suraj. And it has gone out for a throw-in in favor of BM11. Throw-in has been taken, quickly taken. Oh, that was again a very good chance for Karthik. He missed it at the first time, but the second time the ball has been put in the nets. And the game is 2-0 in favor of Bex United. The second half is in progress. The first half was 0-0, but in the second half we have seen two wonderful goals being scored by Karthik. This second goal has given an assurance of almost being there, because this would be definitely be with a 2-0 cushion. The Bex United team seems to be very comfortable now. Free kick in favor of BM11. It will be taken by Bishu. It has been taken, but it is far above the goal post. The goal kick will be taken by the goalkeeper, jersey number 23. Nicely taken. And it has gone for a goal kick the other side. We have come to the end of this match between BM11 and Bex United, and the score is 2-0 in favor of Bex United. With this win, Bex United are right top in this league.